Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. In this today video, we'll see what exactly Portainer is, how you can install it, and how you can manage your container infrastructure using Portainer. It is very easy to use web-based GUI where you can manage your multiple environment. If you have a Kubernetes environment or a Docker environment, you can simply manage using the Portainer. So let's see how you can use it. So in one of my previous video, I just created this Alexi container and I also show you how to install. So now just log in into this. So what I created a folder with the name docker underscore video and I created a Docker compose file with the name portainer.yaml. Let's just start this file. Let's see what is the content of that. So as you can see here, it is referring to the image. This is the image that we have. This is the network that will use, and this is the volume that it will use. So in order to work it, we need to create this thing. So first of all, we'll do docker volume create and a volume name. This is done. We'll now create a network. So for that, we'll do um, network create our network name. Perfect. Now let's just list it out whether the network that we created is working or not. So we'll do network ls. So as you can see here, this is the network that we created. Now let's just in the same way, we'll see whether our volume is listing or not. So yes, our volume is also listing. Now let's just spin up this container. So we'll run docker compose hyphen f the file name up hyphen d. It will take some time because it will fetching the image for the Portainer from the online repo and then it will do. So as you can see here, the container, this one is started. Let's just verify. Docker ps-a. So as you can see here, our container is working. Let's just try to log in with the IP that we have. The IP of the VM is 79. So we'll try with the 79 itself. So yes, we are able to log in. Let's just try to enter our password. Um, Let me just create a strong password and then simply I will just copy paste. So this is the password that I'm using, and so we already have our password as we added it. We'll do this and we'll try to log in with the same password, and here we have it. This is our environment, and yes. So this is all about the container initial video. In the upcoming video, we'll talk about more container platforms that we can use in our home lab. So this video is like an initial video in order like for the upcoming video where we see how we can manage our container using that, what are the other under the functionality of the container. So we discuss about all of this. For this video, this is it. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment. If you need further assistance, you can reach out to me over the Twitter. If you have any suggestion, please drop down in the comment. I will be more than happy to assist you with the same. For this video, I'm good. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.